Social networking has long been about text and visuals, but with the launch of Clubhouse, we saw a sudden rise in the trend of social audio globally. From Oprah Winfrey, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg to Kanye West, all of them have used Clubhouse, and now everyone is rushing to download the app and get invites to talk to people across the globe. And what's interesting about this app is that it does not have any videos or pictures. It is based only on human voices. So you can simply join in and listen to people talking in real time wherever you are. This app was initially available on iPhones, but now even Android users can try it out. But currently you need an invite from someone who already uses Clubhouse. But later this summer, Clubhouse is going to end the invitation system so that anyone can simply install the app and use it. Hi guys, my name is Ashri and this is Gadgetry 60. So today we will talk about this buzzing social app called Clubhouse and how is it different from Twitter Spaces. So Clubhouse, when you open the app, you will find lots of rooms where people will be talking to each other via audio. You will find rooms for topics ranging from cryptocurrency, content creation, how to run a successful business and whatnot. It's pretty easy to use, so let's see how this app works. So when you open Clubhouse, you will find 5 icons at the top. The first one is the search bar. You can look for people you want to follow and generally explore. The second option is the invitation section. You can use it to invite your friends and contacts. Then this is where you can find rooms that are scheduled to take place today. There's also a notification icon and then your profile section. If you are not able to find rooms according to your interests, you can also go to settings and choose your interests to explore better. You can also connect your Twitter and Instagram profiles on Clubhouse. And to create a room, just tap on this green button, add a topic to your room and choose between open, social and closed. And open means anyone on Clubhouse can join this room. Then social means only the people you follow can join your room. And finally, closed is meant for people only you select. So what is so exciting about Clubhouse that everyone wants an invite for it? Well, since Clubhouse is an invite-only app, it gives a feeling of being a part of this exclusive private club that does not allow just everyone to be a part of the conversation. You need an invite to use this app. This is what makes Clubhouse the hottest social media platform right now. Now let's see how it is different from its biggest rivals, Twitter Spaces.
Okay, so one more thing I wanted to add about this is the fact that Twitter added Spaces in their app itself might make it more popular than Clubhouse. Since you see Instagram already released their IGTV back in 2018 and they released it separately. But then they brought it inside the app, which I think made it more popular compared to its previous version. So I think Twitter Spaces might be more popular because of that, since a lot of people are already on Twitter and are already using it widely. And now that Clubhouse has come to Android, that's why the hype still continues.
Twitter Spaces is when you're already following someone, right? When they're hosting a space, then only you get a notification for it. But in Clubhouse, once you get into Clubhouse, you can explore many more rooms that random people are also hosting. So you can join and meet people very easily over here.
There is no comparison between Clubhouse and Twitter Spaces in terms of reach. Twitter has millions of users across the globe, while Clubhouse is still relatively new in the market. However, it has still managed to garner a lot of attention from people in just a span of 1 year. And what's interesting is that Clubhouse is made to have only audio conversations with people, while Twitter Spaces is more than just audio. So it will be interesting to see whether Clubhouse will carve its niche in the market and continue to trend in the market, or it may slowly lose its relevance as soon as social media biggies like Facebook and Instagram also jump on the bandwagon and launch similar audio-based chat rooms on their platforms. I for one still love Clubhouse because it gives the feeling of talking to people in a room in real time. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about Clubhouse and Twitter Spaces and which one is your favorite.